Hi everybody, if you have seen the national news, you know that in the Midwest we are dealing with somewhat of a blizzard here. And so I wanted to share it with you today. It is freezing out here and it's really not safe to be out for very long, but the wind is blowing from the north, as you can tell, which is that way, and the snow is here, and we've probably got a couple inches already, and it can go anywhere from like 5 inches to a foot, I think, in the forecast over the next week. And there are snow drifts everywhere. I don't know if you can see this, but it's beautiful, and I love it because I love winter, but not everybody loves it. And my husband is trying to drive home from work right now, which is a little crazy for him. We have our baby is napping. He has the croup as just winter weather would come and a blizzard would come. Things would go interestingly. And our dog also is sick, and so we've been on the phone with the vet today and dealing with our baby being sick. But I can't help it. It's just beautiful, and I'm thankful for it. I love how life slows down when the winter weather comes, and it's just such a miracle to me. The snow and each snowflake, and just, I think it's amazing. So I just want to show you some of it and share some of it with you today. We have inches of ice underneath the snow that we got last week. So that's what's going on around here. So I'm just going to walk around and show you. You can't even see our pond anymore. If you watch the video where I showed you the ice, you can't even see the pond. It just looks like a field, but there's a pond. All of that is a pond right there. And it's just beautiful. Oh my goodness. And this powdery snow. And it's kind of a dry snow, so it's not really good for clumping up and making a snowball. It's not really going to happen. It's dry. So it's just kind of like confetti snow, which is beautiful to be out in. Great for a Hallmark movie. Not good for a snowball fight. But it's so beautiful. It's like the whole world is in a pillow of white, and you could just roll in it and dance on it and sleep in it, except it's freezing out here. But I hope that you can see this and you're enjoying it. I hope you can see the flakes everywhere. They're definitely coming down on me. I love how quiet it is out here. The ice was so loud. The birds were like tweeting and singing the whole time. We had ice last week and flying around, and when the snow comes, it's just like this quiet blanket falls on the earth, and there's no birds to be seen or to hear from. Everything is just quiet and still. The only thing that you can hear is the wind and the crunch of the snow under your feet. But even that was quiet, more quiet than the ice. So I want to show you the front here. Ooh, it's coming down. It's cold. So this is our lower pond. Again, it's hard to tell except for the very outlining of the circle there. And the trees. And the snow and the trees. It is a beautiful day. And I hope that it's a beautiful day wherever you are, and that you're having a blessed day. Stay encouraged, stay warm, and stay tuned, because I will keep you updated on more to come in the winter blizzard area.